All right, guys, Eugene Mosley here, back with another video. I'm going to show you how I make ads for my pro membership in Leadsleap. So let me go ahead and log in. Try that again. It timed out, so we can go back in. All right, I'm in my account, and I'm going to go down here to pro ads. And this will show you what I've created so far. I've gotten, let's see, that's 2 right here. This is about a prescription drug program that you can get your prescription drugs for free. And this one is get paid to send email. That's another program that I'm in that I make money in just by sending email out of their system. So I've made these ads for this. And let me just click on one and show you what it does. When somebody has to click on that ad, you know, they're trying to get their money from Leadsleap. They have to click on 10 ads per day, and this is the site that I have from the company called Clicker. And this thing has some good videos here. It has some videos here for people. Now this is all in the system. I didn't make this video. I'm sorry. I didn't make any of these videos. I didn't make this website. Okay. Let me see. Wait a minute. Let me close this thing out. All this stuff is going at the same time. Okay. But you get the idea. You can click this, have this link. Let me just show you here. Like for this one, see it's going to Clicker. There's a free trial link, and the person can go ahead and sign up. And if they want to pay, they want to start making money, they can. Let's see. I got to get paid to send email, and that's what I do. Come and get the money. It won't get any easier. Okay, so that's what I put in this particular ad, and it's in the make money category. So that's what category I put for it. Let's see what else, and you just save and submit the ad, and then you can preview it. Like if you were putting this up for the first time, you see the ad comes up here, right? And then the website itself will come up and show here over here on this side. So it's pretty simple. Once you create the ads, and you can put them back here, if you are a free member, you can't do pro ads. You have to be a paid member to create the free ad. Create the pro ads. So that's what I do, and that's how I get paid by people coming into this business. This is called Clicker, and they can come into this business, and I make money from this business. So let me go here and see. Where is this? No, that's not it. That's ChatGPT. I have it here somewhere. Right here. Right. This is what I've made so far with this business. $457 with Clicker. I'll get paid this out next month. At least I'll be paid out $400. That's when I put in to get paid, at the $400 level. So, and I just I'm not going into all that right now, but I just wanted to show you that you can do a lot with this particular system for Leadsleap. So you can put ads back here, and the thing is only $23 a month. And you know, you can make money from the Leadsleap system. I'm up to $37.83, and that's going to cover my membership of $23 a month. So this is outstanding. You can put 10 ads back here. Can be multiple ads for the same business that you're advertising, or you can put in you know, as many 10 different businesses if you wanted to. You know, I wouldn't do it that way, but you know, I got a couple here for one business. And I do websites to go along with the stuff that I advertise. I did this website. Now this is a business where you can get your prescription drugs for free. So hey man, you know, put this stuff on Facebook or wherever you want to put these ads, and you're going to get people coming to your website. They're going to come to your website. You just have to have a good website that you can create. And I use ChatGPT to make this image. So guys, there's plenty of ways to do this stuff. You just have to look around and, find people like myself that do these things. And I put my information up on YouTube so you can contact me, ask any questions that you want. I mean, I'm not hiding. I'm right here to show you guys the stuff that you can do. And I put these videos up on YouTube so you can know what's going on. It's pretty simple to do this stuff once you have the right tools. Now, I'm saying that because you need tools like Leadsleap in order to do this. You have to, learn from people like myself that tell you how to do these images, right? So let me show you something. If I really wanted to do an image ad like this that I got plenty of them here that I use. Let's see. If I wanted to see, let's see if I wanted to delete something. Let me just trash this one. That'll give me room to make another ad. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna see what I have that's available in my list here of ads of images that I got on my computer. So let me see. I'm gonna just show you this for really quickly. I can make this pretty fast. Let's see. New ad until added, but please note that you have a total of 17 and only 10 can be active. Okay, well, let me just go ahead and do this. Add a new one, right? I already clicked that. So, let's see. What would I want to advertise? Let me see. Let me get the link. I'm going to advertise to get paid to send email. So I'm just going to use the link from this ad. Right? So I got the link. And I'll just close this one out and go back to this one that I'm working on. Alright? So the URL goes in here. Already copied that. Paste that right in. A catchy title. What I need to find, though, I'll get the title or something. I'll just come up with something for that. Now, category, image. That's what I want to find. And image here to change and put a new image in. So all you got to do is hit this and then hit upload an image. Let's see here. Let me move this down. You can see what's going on here. That's to set the videos. No, we want to go to pictures. And we want to put in an image ad. Alright, so let me see what I got that's already ready to go. Let's see. What's this? No, this is getting paid for clicks. I had a thing like that. This one, I'm going to use the one for get paid for emails. Let's see. Get paid to send email. Okay, I'll go ahead and use this one. Alright. The size comes out right. Well, it did. Get paid to send email. If you got your size basically right, it'll go right in here. And all you have to do is click the check mark. And that's your image ad. Alright. I've created these before and put the text on it. I've got a thing that I use. Let me see if I can find that. I'm just going to briefly show it to you. What I use. Let's see. That's not here. Let me see. Let's see. Screen. No. Photoscape. Yeah. Photoscape X. That's what you can, because it works on my computer for Windows 11. And I just use this to put the text on top of the image. So that's something that you can find online. Is free, and you can pull in the images. Let's say that what the heck here? What is this? Oh, I already got something on that one. See, I've done a lot of these already, and this was getting paid for clicks. I could change this one up and make it get paid to send email. So, it's a lot of different stuff you can do. like change this one, because I'm not doing the one with the click things anymore that I get paid just for clicks. I'm doing these ones that I get paid for emails. So it's a lot of stuff you can do if you have the right tools. And I got to do a thing for this one too. I just haven't done it yet. Let's see, what is this? No, none of this stuff. But anyhow, I got a lot of different stuff on my computer, as you can see. You know what I mean? So, what is this? No. Anyhow, I'm not worried about that. I just wanted to share with you the program that I have here is Photoscape X, and that's how you can manipulate the pictures and put the text on top of the picture. So I'm not going to get into that. That's a whole video in itself in doing this, but I'm just saying, a lot of people that will sign up with me with this business for Clicker, I'll send you some photos with already edited images, already edited with the text and stuff on top of it. So that's how I handle that for somebody that's brand new. They don't know how to do none of this stuff. I'll just take that and go ahead and send them to you through your email, and you can go ahead and use them immediately. So I would put a title on here, something that says something simple. Let's see what I got on this one. Get paid to send email. You know, they don't like it when you copy the same thing, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Let me see. I would put in here, we get paid. Paid to send. I hope it's not too long. We get paid to send email right at 25 characters. That is something. So, okay, that's good. Got that one in there. Add text. Let's see. Let's put anything here. This is how we make our money. Oops, wait a minute. This is how we make our money by sending. Let's see. I hope it's enough. By sending emails. Okay. 47. Yep, that's enough. Has to be long enough. Has to be, I believe it's over 40. Oh, wait a minute. I put something in wrong. Just go right in here. Put an N instead of an M. All right, that's it. All right, I already did the image, and this just shows you the preview of what it's going to be looking like. Okay. Haven't been put a kid in a category yet, so gotta click on the category, put it in my make money category, and it just says standard ad. I don't worry about none of this optional stuff. And I just hit save and submit. Wait a minute, it says error. What is the problem here? You already have an ad with the same title. Please use a different title. Okay, that's why it rejected it, because you can't put duplicate titles. Let's see. I ain't got no more space either. We get paid to send emails. We get paid to, let me take out the word send and see if that helps. We get paid to email. Okay, let's see. See what happens. Your ad has been submitted. That did it. I just took out that one word and it went through. Okay, so I'm good to go on that. Now, I just preview saved ad, but it's going to show what it's going to look like. See, the ad is there, and then it also shows you what link it goes to. So you know everything is straight when you do that. You hit preview, and you get, this, and it goes to the site. So I love this site. I didn't have to create this. The company Clicker did this particular website, so that was simple on me. I can just go ahead and start promoting. I mean, hey, it's great because they'll pay you like $30 a month for somebody signing up for $97. And then they got a different offer which people come in for like $997, and they'll pay you $300 a month for for somebody signing up on that membership. So I got one person signed up, and I mean, I didn't talk to him or anything. I just advertised on here on Leadsleap, and that's how I got I got like 4 paid members out of about 21 or 22 people that actually went through my capture page. So this is outstanding, and this is basically what I wanted to share with you with Leadsleap on how to put these ads up in the back office, or these pro ads on Leadsleap, and this is how you advertise with this powerful platform, and how you can make money in your other businesses by using your pro membership in Leadsleap. But that's it for me, guys. Eugene Mosley. I will talk to you guys later.